Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Warframe mobile game crashing or crashes at startup on Android devices. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart or reboot your phone. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, then you can go ahead and launch the Warframe game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for Warframe app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Warframe and tap on it, and if you find any update available for this app, then update it from here, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to check internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check Warframe mobile is working or not. Next fix is to force stop Warframe app. So tap and hold the Warframe app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop, and then again click on force stop to confirm, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then next fix is to clear the Warframe app cache files. So tap and hold the Warframe app icon and then click on app info, then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and then click on clear data. Now please take a note, clearing the app data will also clear the app data including files and settings permanently. So if you agree, only then tap on delete button to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then you have to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the Warframe app icon, then click on app info, then click on battery usage and check mark the first option, allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, and then go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then the next fix is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, tap on software update, and if there are any updates available for your device, then kindly download and install them, and after installing them, then just restart your device once, and after restarting your device, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and then search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Surfshark VPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN, Proton VPN, Super VPN, Nord VPN, Ninja VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different country region other than your current location, and then check if a problem is solved or not. If you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall Warframe app. So tap and hold the Warframe app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm, and then just restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Warframe, tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall the Warframe game on your Android phones. And once the Warframe game get installed on your device, then you can launch it and check if the problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix Warframe mobile crashing or crashes at a startup on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.